Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think this is a wave W, I still think this is a wave X, and I think we need to make three waves for the wave Y. We need to have an A of Y, a B of Y, and I think we need to go up for a wave C of wave Y, which I still think is likely to go up eventually and take out the high of wave W and the high of wave 4. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, first of all, I think this is the A over here. I think this is a big WXY, which is a wave B. That would make this right here a 1 of wave C. I think this is a big ABC correction for the 2 of wave C. I think we may have already started this wave 3 of wave C, and on the higher time frames like the weekly, it should continue to make higher highs, higher lows in this wave 3. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we finally got that break of structure that we've been waiting for to help confirm that this most likely is the end of a wave C. Now, I got my Fibonacci retracement out here just because these fib levels are definitely areas of resistance, and if for whatever reason it does, bounce and break structure to the downside, we should probably definitely take that into consideration and maybe even start looking for shorts again. But for now, looks like the trend is up, looks like it likely will continue up. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, and like I said, now that we got that break of structure, I'm definitely looking for longs. I'm looking to go long at basically every single pullback I see. I would definitely keep an eye on these Fibonacci out levels for areas of resistance. That's possibly areas where pullbacks will start. But I think that most likely this is already a wave 3 on the weekly time frame. But if it is, then we definitely want to primarily be looking for longs at the end of basically every pullback we see. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, if you've been following along, you've probably been doing pretty dang good because I have been saying that I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks to go long. We had one early on Monday or Sunday evening. We had a nice 3 way pullback yesterday, I believe. So if you've been following along, if you've been trading with the trend, then you've probably been doing pretty dang good. So what am I doing now? I would definitely patiently wait for another proper pullback to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. It doesn't necessarily have to make a proper pullback now. It could possibly keep drifting up, but when it does do that, I will be having my finger on the trigger to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.